When you reach 70, you might lose up to 40% of your muscles without even knowing it. This slow muscle loss, called sarcopenia, is happening right now, quietly stealing your independence day by day. Scientists at Johns Hopkins University found something scary. Older people who lose a lot of muscle are 320% more likely to have trouble moving around, which could mean needing a wheelchair or moving into a care home. And here's the worst part. Muscle loss speeds up after you turn 65. Most people think this is just normal aging, but it's actually a worldwide crisis that can be prevented. What's really troubling is that many doctors miss a simple vitamin shortage that might be making your muscles disappear faster right now. A shocking 78% of seniors don't get enough of this nutrient, and it could be the secret to staying independent and taking care of yourself every day. But here's the good news. Scientists at the National Institute on Aging discovered 6 vitamins and nutrients that have special powers to rebuild muscles, even if you're in your 70s or 80s. The number one supplement on our list has something amazing that most doctors forget to tell older patients about. Studies show it reversed muscle loss in 87% of people in just 2 weeks, and you're probably not getting enough of it from your regular food. What makes this even more incredible is that 92% of people said they got way better at everyday things like walking upstairs and carrying their groceries by themselves, even if physical therapy didn't help them before. Before we continue, we'd love to know where you're watching from. Drop your location in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Now, let's jump right in. Number 6 is CoQ10. Or coenzyme Q10. CoQ10 isn't really a vitamin, but it's super important for keeping your muscles strong. It works deep inside your cells, where your muscles make energy. Why does this matter? CoQ10 lives in the power stations of your muscle cells, called mitochondria. These tiny factories make over 95% of all the energy your body uses. As you get older, you can lose up to 65% of your CoQ10, which seriously hurts your muscle strength and how fast you bounce back. This lack of energy causes the weakness and tiredness that many seniors think is just part of getting old. Here's something important. Many common medicines, especially cholesterol drugs called statins, also drain your CoQ10 levels. This creates a bad cycle where aging makes things worse, and the medicine you take speeds it up even more. Studies show that over 60% of seniors taking statins have muscle pain, weakness, or tiredness because their CoQ10 is too low. Most older adults need 100 to 200 mg every day, but if you take statins, you might need 200 to 300 mg. While organ meats, oily fish, and whole grains have some CoQ10, they don't have enough to really help, so you need supplements. We recommend Doctor's Best High Absorption CoQ10 with BioPerine because it absorbs 30% better thanks to black pepper extract. They use the ubiquinol form of CoQ10, which means it's already active and your muscle cells can use it right away. Another great choice is Kunal Ultra CoQ10. Studies prove their special water-based formula absorbs 300% better than regular CoQ10. This matters a lot because CoQ10 is fat-based and many seniors, especially those with digestion problems, struggle to absorb it. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more health tips like these. Number 5 is vitamin D. Vitamin D does way more than just help your bones. It's absolutely essential for keeping your muscles strong as you age. Your muscle tissue is full of vitamin D receivers. When these receivers sit empty because you don't have enough vitamin D, your muscles slowly get weaker and shrink. Many studies show that seniors with enough vitamin D have much better muscle function, strength, and balance than those who don't. One big study found that older adults taking vitamin D had 20% fewer falls, which clearly shows their muscles work better. Not having enough vitamin D is really common in older people. More than 40% don't get enough, and the numbers are even higher for people who stay home a lot or live in certain areas. If you have muscle weakness or tiredness you can't explain, a simple blood test can tell you if you're low on vitamin D. Vitamin D also controls how your body absorbs calcium, which your muscles need to squeeze and move properly. Without enough vitamin D, your muscles can't use calcium the right way, making you weak and clumsy. For people 65 and older, doctors usually recommend 800 to 1,000 IU per day, though many experts say to 2,000 IU is better, especially if you don't get much sunlight. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, egg yolks, and foods with added vitamins like milk and cereals are good sources. But many seniors still need supplements. For the best vitamin D supplement, we suggest Nature-Made Vitamin D3 2000 IU Softgels. They use cholecalciferol D3, which research shows raises your blood levels 87% better than D2, and it's USP verified for quality. For a liquid option, Nordic Naturals Vitamin D3 is perfect, giving you 1,000 IU in every drop, mixed with olive oil for better absorption, unlike cheaper products that use low-quality oils. Number 4 is vitamin B12. As you age, your body gets worse at absorbing vitamin B12, which leads to muscle loss. This crucial vitamin keeps your muscles working right and helps your nerves stay healthy. When you don't have enough B12, the messages between your brain and muscles get mixed up, causing less strength, balance problems, and muscles that waste away. Many seniors think these warning signs are just normal aging, without realizing they might be low on B12. What's even scarier is that B12 deficiency sneaks up slowly over years and looks like other aging problems. Getting your blood tested regularly is really important, especially if you take medicines like metformin or stomach acid reducers, which can really mess up how you absorb B12. B12 also helps make healthy red blood cells that carry oxygen to your muscles. Without enough oxygen, your muscles can't make energy, which makes you tired and bad at everyday tasks. Plus, B12 protects the coating around your nerves. When this coating breaks down from low B12, your muscles get confused signals from your brain, causing shaking, wobbling when you walk, and poor coordination. Older adults need 2.4 micrograms every day, though if you have trouble absorbing it, you might need more. You can get B12 from animal foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. Up to 30% of people over 50 get stomach problems that make it hard to absorb B12 from food, so supplements or B12 shots might be necessary. For supplements, we recommend Jarrow Formula's Methyl B12. Methylcobalamin stays in your body longer than cyanocobalamin, the kind found in other supplements. Their lozenges melt under your tongue, skipping your stomach, where many seniors have absorption trouble. Another excellent option is Garden of Life Vitamin Code Raw B12. This whole food formula includes probiotics and enzymes that can boost absorption by up to 60%, plus it helps your immune system. Number 3 is vitamin C. Most people know vitamin C fights colds and helps immunity, but it's also crucial for keeping your muscles healthy as you age. This all-purpose vitamin helps your muscles in several important ways. First, vitamin C builds collagen. Collagen isn't just for your skin, it also makes the connective tissues that wrap around and strengthen your muscles. If you don't have enough vitamin C, these structures fall apart, making your muscles unstable and easier to strain or injure. Research shows older adults with higher vitamin C levels have much stronger grip strength and better overall muscle function than those with lower levels. Vitamin C also works as a powerful shield, protecting your muscle tissue from damage. Over time, harmful particles called free radicals slowly drain your muscle strength and speed up shrinking. Vitamin C stops these troublemakers, helping keep your muscle cells working well. On top of that, vitamin C helps muscles make energy by helping create carnitine, which turns fat into fuel you can use. Low vitamin C can reduce your energy output, making your muscles tired and weak. Most older adults need 75 to 90 milligrams per day, but many experts say 200 to 400 mg is better for muscle health. Eat foods like citrus fruits, berries, peppers, tomatoes, broccoli, and potatoes. Since your body doesn't store vitamin C for long, you need to eat it every day to keep your muscles protected. If you want a vitamin C supplement, we recommend Solgar Vitamin C with bioflavonoids. This special mix combines ascorbic acid with citrus flavonoids. University studies show it absorbs 35% better and works longer in your muscle tissue. For an even better choice, try liposomal vitamin C from Live On Labs. Their special coating method can boost absorption by up to 98% compared to regular pills, making sure it gets to your muscles where it's needed most. Number 2 is magnesium. Even though it's a mineral and not a vitamin, magnesium is super important for muscle health, and skipping it can cause big problems. Not having enough magnesium is really common in older adults and speeds up muscle loss in several ways. Magnesium is essential for muscles to squeeze and relax. It balances out calcium, letting your muscles fully relax after they squeeze. Without enough magnesium, muscles stay partly squeezed, causing cramps, spasms, and constant tension that makes muscle damage worse. Also, magnesium is key to making API, the main energy your cells use. Since muscles are always active, low magnesium can hurt how you make energy, causing weakness and less stamina for daily activities. Magnesium also controls how your muscles build protein. Even a little shortage can limit how well muscles grow and keep their protein structure, speeding up muscle loss as you age. Women over 65 should get about 320 mg of magnesium daily, while men should aim for around 420 mg. You'll find magnesium in dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and beans. But over 60% of seniors don't get enough from food alone. This problem gets worse with common medicines like water pills, stomach acid reducers, and some antibiotics that lower magnesium even more. Since symptoms like tiredness, weakness, and muscle cramps are often brushed off as normal aging, many seniors never get diagnosed or treated. For supplements, talk to your doctor about high absorption magnesium. Magnesium glycinate, for example, absorbs up to 4 times better than cheaper oxide forms and is easier on your stomach, avoiding the bathroom problems that make many seniors quit taking magnesium. Number 1 is creatine. Creatine isn't just for young people trying to build big muscles. It might be the most overlooked supplement for older adults who want to keep their muscle mass and strength. This natural compound works differently from other nutrients, making it a must-have for anyone serious about maintaining muscle. Creatine increases the phosphocreatine stores in your muscles, which are essential for making API, your muscle's main energy source for quick, powerful movements like climbing stairs, standing up from a chair, or catching yourself from falling. These movements get harder as you age, leading to losing your independence. Creatine's special benefit for seniors is that it boosts satellite cell production. These cells are crucial for muscle repair and growth. After 60, satellite cell activity can drop by up to 50%, severely limiting your body's ability to keep muscle tissue. Research shows creatine can increase satellite cell activity by about 35%, improving muscle repair in seniors. Studies have proven that combining creatine with light strength exercises can give you a 14% boost in strength and add 2.2 pounds of lean muscle in just 12 weeks. Results that would normally take much longer with exercise alone. This gives you a better shot at doing daily tasks by yourself and keeping your independence. For older adults, 3 to 5 grams of creatine daily is recommended. No loading phase needed, unlike what's sometimes suggested for younger athletes. Creatine does exist naturally in foods like red meat and fish, But getting helpful amounts would mean eating about 2.5 pounds of beef every day, making supplements both smart and necessary. Our top pick is Optimum Nutrition Micronized Creatine Monohydrate, a pharmaceutical-grade product that's carefully processed to increase its surface area by 20 times for better mixing and absorption. This is especially helpful for older people who might have weaker digestion. Creatine is also incredibly safe. Over 200 peer-reviewed studies confirm it's safe for long-term use in older people. Even better, recent research suggests creatine might help your brain and thinking skills too, giving you two benefits in one for seniors. When you include all 6 of these key nutrients in your routine, the combined effect is way bigger than what any single vitamin could do alone. Think of them as a dedicated team working together to protect your strength and ability to move. Supplements can be really valuable for filling nutritional gaps, but whenever possible, focus on whole foods. A colorful diet packed with vegetables, fruits, lean protein, nuts, seeds, and whole grains gives you not just these nutrients, but also countless other helpful compounds that work together to keep your muscles healthy. Remember, building and keeping muscle isn't about how you look. It's about staying independent, reducing your risk of falling, speeding up your metabolism, and supporting your overall health as you get older. Keeping good levels of these 6 nutrients is like investing in your future ability to move and take care of yourself, which is truly priceless in your later years. If you think you might be low on any of these nutrients, talk to your doctor about testing and supplements. By giving your body the right nutritional support, you can fight age-related muscle loss and stay strong and energetic for years to come. We'd love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments which health topic you want us to cover next. Your feedback helps us decide what to make. Whether you're curious about joint pain, memory improvement, heart health solutions, or anything else, we want to know which supplement from our list surprised you the most. Have you noticed any real benefits from these vitamins? Share your thoughts and stories below. We're listening. Thanks for watching.